As the crypto world eagerly awaits the launch of a spot Bitcoin ETF, speculation abounds regarding its potential effects on the market, as well as expert predictions surrounding its approval. This impending milestone signifies a pivotal moment for the cryptocurrency space, offering validation for digital assets in the eyes of mainstream investors. Beyond Bitcoin, this boost in institutional interest could have a positive spillover effect on other cryptocurrencies, particularly those closely tied to Bitcoin. Understanding spot Bitcoin ETFs. A spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, stands to grant investors access to Bitcoin's price without the necessity of direct ownership of the cryptocurrency. Instead, this ETF acquires and holds Bitcoin on behalf of investors, allowing them to trade shares of the fund on established stock exchanges like Nasdaq. The ETF's share price closely mirrors Bitcoin's market price, rising and falling in tandem with the cryptocurrency's value. Unlike futures ETFs, which are linked to Bitcoin derivatives contracts, a spot ETF directly holds the actual asset, offering a regulated avenue for mainstream investors, including hedge funds and retirement accounts, to enter the Bitcoin market via their existing brokers and investment accounts. This breakthrough could significantly widen Bitcoin's accessibility and investment reach across a diverse set of market participants. As of now, the United States has not approved such an ETF due to regulatory concerns related to cryptocurrency custody and market manipulation. However, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is actively reviewing an application from BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, and indications suggest approval may be on the horizon. Anticipated impact on Bitcoin's price. The potential approval and launch of a spot BTC ETF, whether initiated by BlackRock or another financial giant, could serve as a catalyst for broader cryptocurrency adoption and significantly influence Bitcoin's price. This accessibility to mainstream investors via traditional brokerage accounts can open the doors for a broader pool of potential Bitcoin purchasers. According to Alex Thorne, head of research at Galaxy Digital, inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs could exceed $14 billion within the first year following approval. Such an influx of capital has the potential to substantially drive up demand, applying pressure to Bitcoin's restricted supply of only 21 million coins. Furthermore, regulatory approval for a spot ETF could help address concerns related to cryptocurrency custody and market manipulation, potentially removing obstacles to further adoption and subsequently sparking greater demand for Bitcoin. Furthermore, the legitimization of Bitcoin as an investable asset is expected to trickle down to retail investors, underlining the significance of a potential spot Bitcoin ETF launch in the United States as an extremely bullish sign, generating substantial anticipation in the crypto market. Bitcoin ETF approval, a catalyst for the market. The introduction of a spot Bitcoin ETF is poised to have a profound influence not just on Bitcoin but also on the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. The wave of optimism generated by this event could extend to other cryptocurrencies. Crypto projects explicitly focused on the ETF narrative may gain significant benefits from Bitcoin's financialization. For instance, Bitcoin ETF token, BTC, is a cryptocurrency designed to profit from and celebrate each milestone in the spot Bitcoin ETF approval process. BTC features a unique token burn mechanism tied to real-world events like the first ETF launch, exerting upward pressure on the token's price as each milestone is reached. As the ETF narrative gains traction, interest in Bitcoin-themed altcoins like BTC is on the rise, as demonstrated by the project's pre-sale raising over $75,000 within its first 3 days. Additionally, cryptocurrencies closely associated with Bitcoin, such as Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Bitcoin Gold, BCG, may also stand to benefit from Bitcoin's validation as an investable asset. Anticipating Bitcoin ETF approval, expert predictions. The question on the minds of every cryptocurrency investor is when the SEC will finally approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. Despite previous rejections, the probability of approval appears to be increasing as more mainstream financial institutions embrace cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the impact on Bitcoin's price upon approval is a topic of significant interest. Here are expert predictions from key industry figures. Markus Thielen, Deribit Insights Analyst. Markus Thielen indicates that the narrowing discount of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, from -44% to -14% suggests growing market confidence in the SEC approving a Bitcoin ETF. He estimates that traders have priced in an 86% probability of ETF approval based on GBTC's diminishing discount. Thielen also predicts a potential 10% surge in Bitcoin's price upon ETF approval, similar to past reactions to false approval rumors. He anticipates approval before January 2024. Gautam Chhugani, Bernstein Analyst. Gautam Chhugani, a managing director and senior analyst at Bernstein, envisions the SEC approving a Bitcoin ETF in the first quarter of 2024. He sees ETFs from asset managers like BlackRock and Fidelity as imminent, potentially propelling Bitcoin's valuation. Chhugani suggests that ETF approval could channel up to 10% of Bitcoin supply into ETFs and push prices as high as $150,000 by 2025, nearly 5 times Bitcoin's current value. Steve McClurg, Valkyrie CIO. Steve McClurg, Chief Investment Officer of Valkyrie, expects the SEC to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF by November 2023. He believes the SEC will issue another round of comments on Valkyrie's filing within weeks, potentially leading to new rule changes and final approval by month's end. However, McClurg acknowledges the possibility of the SEC waiting until January 2024 to finalize ETF applications before granting launch approvals in February 2024. James Seyffart, Bloomberg Intelligence. James Seyffart, a prominent ETF research analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, predicts a 75% likelihood of ETF approval by the end of 2023, with a decision possibly arriving between November 8 and November 21. He anticipates the SEC approving multiple ETFs concurrently to avoid any perception of favoritism. Seyffart suggests that the November to December 2023 timeframe is most likely, discounting the possibility of the SEC rejecting the final ETF application on January 10, 2024, and subsequently granting approvals in March. Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital CEO. Mike Novogratz, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, initially predicted that at least one spot Bitcoin ETF would be approved within 6 months, targeting February 2024. He reiterated this timeline in October 2023, noting that SEC approval could come in December 2023, although trading may not commence until 2024. As a prominent figure in the crypto industry, Novogratz's predictions carry significant weight. The collective wisdom of these experts converges on late 2023 or early 2024 for the anticipated SEC approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. While uncertainties persist, the momentum in the market is unmistakable. With Bitcoin having already surged by an impressive 113% this year, according to CoinMarketCap, the green light for an ETF could be the catalyst for the next significant bull run. Market Insights. Amidst the growing excitement surrounding the potential Bitcoin ETF approval, the cryptocurrency market is experiencing a notable surge in interest and investment. The heightened attention on Bitcoin's potential as an investable asset has triggered a surge in institutional and retail investor participation. This increased demand, coupled with the looming supply limit of 21 million Bitcoin, is creating a dynamic that has the potential to drive the cryptocurrency's price to new heights. Furthermore, the market's growing anticipation of a Bitcoin ETF has amplified interest in Bitcoin-related altcoins and projects explicitly designed to benefit from the ETF narrative, such as Seyffart. These alternative cryptocurrencies are experiencing increased investment, as investors seek to capitalize on the broader adoption of Bitcoin and the potential ripple effects on the cryptocurrency market. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency market is on the brink of a significant transformation with the potential approval of a Bitcoin ETF, which could pave the way for a new era of cryptocurrency investment. The market's dynamics and investor sentiment continue to evolve, setting the stage for a potentially exciting period in the crypto space. The market remains closely attuned to the unfolding developments and regulatory decisions, as they hold the key to the next major inflection point in the cryptocurrency world. As we approach the predicted approval window for the Bitcoin ETF, all eyes will be on the SEC's decision and its potential impact on Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market.